Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Office or Microsoft Office or 365 unlicensed products. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the easiest way to fix the unlicensed problem is to basically get a license. So you can get a license by simply going to the Microsoft 365 website, and from there you will be able to start getting a license. So you will be needing just to simply go to the Buy Microsoft, and then you will find like mini license or mini subscription that you will be able to add so you can get your license. So simply, you will need just to choose either bi-yearly or monthly. You choose your plan that you would like. So either you can get like only the Office apps, you want some additional features, you want anything else, and basically you can also start managing your application or your subscription from your account or from your Microsoft account. And basically, after buying this Microsoft, you will be needing or you will be able to download these applications into your local machine. And after that, you will be able to log in into your account. So let's just open my Word. And from here, you will see that in my case, I'm connected to this account. And basically, you will be needing just to download, connect to your account that has the license, and basically that will solve the unlicensed problem of your Microsoft applications. And this way, you will be able to start like using all the Microsoft apps that you own at their fullest feature, etc. So simply, this is how you can solve the unlicensed problem. So thank you for watching and see you next time.